In this lesson, you will create ratio tables for growing patterns and will use these tables to identify rules for number patterns. Let's review. On your whiteboard, state whether or not each equation is true. Pause the videos and then check your answers. A is true. B is true. C is not true. 33 to 3, we divide by 11. 55 to 5, we divide by 5. These numbers are not the same, therefore the equations are not true. Let's look at this example. How many blocks do I need to build this castle? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the ratio of the number of triangle blocks or triangles to the total number of blocks? In this castle, we have 1 triangle block to 4 total blocks. Now, we can represent this information in a table. If we have 1 triangle, we will have 4 total blocks. If we repeat the castle, we will have 2 triangles for 8 total blocks. For 3 triangles, how many blocks will we need to complete 3 castles? Record your answer on your whiteboard. That's right, you will need 12 blocks in total. You can represent this information in a different way. You can make a ratio table with 3 rows for other blocks in the same castle. We could represent the number of triangles to the number of cylinders. For example, our first column will be for triangles, our second column will be for cylinders, and our third column will be our total blocks. So we know for 1 triangle we have 4 total blocks. We also have 2 cylinders. Now let's repeat. 2 triangles or 3 triangles, we will need 8 blocks and 12 blocks. How many cylinders will we need if we have 2 triangles, 2 castles? Let's count up by 2s. 2, 4. If we have 3 triangles, we will need 6 cylinder blocks. Let's look at another example. These students are going on a field trip. Each student has to pay $8 for a field trip. If 1 student goes on the field trip, the total cost to the school would be $8. If 2 students attend the field trip, it will cost the school an additional $8. Let's count by 8s. 8, 16, 24. It would cost the school $24 if 3 students went on the field trip. We could extend this table to find the cost for 7 students, or any number of students for that matter. 4, 5, 6, 7. Count up by 1s. Now let's continue counting by 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. Let's try another example. To make punch, you need 3 cups of ginger ale for every 2 cups of cranberry juice. GA, ginger ale, and cranberry juice. So we need 3 cups of ginger ale for every 2 cups of cranberry juice. We can transform this into a table to find out how many cups of ginger ale are needed for 10 cups of cranberry juice. Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now let's count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. We need 15 cups of ginger ale to make 15 cups of ginger ale mixed with 10 cups of cranberry juice to make a larger batch of punch. Now you try. Complete these ratio tables on your whiteboard. Pause the video and then check your answers. In example A, we can see the first column is going up by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. We could find equivalent ratios, or we can just take a look and guess by what we should skip count to fill in the second column. Let's try skip counting by fours. 4, 8, 12, 16. That works. Let's try question B. We can see in the first column we probably skip count by fours. Let's try 4, 8, 12, 16. The second column, it looks like we skip count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12. Please try page 119 and page 120 in your Jump Math book.